In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Twitch account in 2020 on your mobile device. It doesn't matter if you're on Android or iOS. So right now I'm inside the Twitch app, but we don't actually need the app in order to delete our account. We actually want to launch a browser and we want to go to twitch.tv. So you want to make sure to go to twitch.tv. And then you want to make sure to request the desktop site. So if you're on Chrome, you can click on these three little dots right there and then click on desktop site. Because if I uncheck that, you'll end up on the mobile website, which you don't want to use. Click on desktop and then make sure to log in into your account. That's my account right there. Then zoom in, top right, click on your profile picture, scroll down and click on settings. Now once you're here in settings, you can zoom in again. And then you can see right there, disable your Twitch account. Then scroll to the right and click on disable account. It's then going to take you to the disable page where you can actually disable your account. So right there, you need to zoom in again. Tell us why you're disabling your account, which is optional. So I'm just going to click on disable account. Right now it's loading. Your account has been disabled. Now that's how easy it is to delete your Twitch account in 2020 on a mobile device. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. And let me know in the comments down below if this helped you out. If not, I'll try to fix it. But that's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time.